How to find location of Facebook user. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and let's go to the search section and say for example that I want to search for a person whose name is Tom. For example, I will click on search, and then from these tabs right here I will click on people, and once you do that you will be brought to this page. You will see on the top right corner of the screen there's a filter icon. Click on it, and from this given list, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We will click filter by city and we will choose a city. You can type the city. I'm just going to choose a random one from these, say for example London, United Kingdom. You can go more specific than this and then click show results. And as you can see, by doing that we will find um all of the people that lives in the given specific location that we have chosen. For us it's United Kingdom, London, who's named Tom, as you can see right here, and you will be able to find the person that you are looking for. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find a location of a Facebook user. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.